So welcome to new section. In this section, we are going to see what are cybersecurity goals. So the objective of cybersecurity is to protect information from being stolen, compromised or attacked. So cybersecurity can be measured by at least one of three goals. So the first one is protect the confidentiality of data, preserve the integrity of data, promote the availability of data for authorized users. These goals from the confidentiality, integrity, availability, CIA trait. So the basic of all security programs. The CIA trait is a security model that is designed to guide policies for information security within the premises of an organization or company. This model is also referred to as the AIC model, which is also called as availability, integrity and confidentiality trait. To avoid the confusion with the Central Intelligence Agency, the element of the trait are considered the three most crucial components of security. The CIA criteria are one that most of organizations, companies uses when they have installed a new application, create a database or when guaranteeing access to some data. For data to be completely secure, all of these security goals must come into effect. And these are security policies that all work together, and therefore it can be wrong to overlook one policy. So in the next lecture, we are going to see the first trait, which is confidentiality.